3 eggs and beat the living daylights out of them. Pour them into a frying pan. Don't turn the heat on yet. Then add some thickened cream, about 2 tablespoons. Then add a little bit of garlic powder, about anywhere from half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, depends on how garlicky you want it. If you want to use fresh garlic, that's even better. Now turn the heat on to about low to low medium. Now grate some cheese and throw that in. The amount of cheese to grate is entirely up to you. I usually grate about 15 grams, 10 to 15 grams. Now just keep stirring. Now turn the heat up slightly so it's about medium, just so we start to see this happen. Now that this is happening, turn the heat back down. There we go. Yummy. I'll just get a little bit of pink Himalayan salt over the top and a little bit of pepper. Easy peasy, just a very simple cheesy scrambled eggs.
Simple